It does, especially with the temperatures a little on the cooler side. Although we aren't in the 30s this morning like yesterday, we're still waking up to 40s. It's still cool enough you want that jacket or that coat if you're heading out. 45 right now in Harker Heights as you look out there on our Syntex Roof Systems camera. You're already in the upper 30s in Hillsborough. I told you this would happen as the sky started to clear. We'd see those temperatures try to get into the upper 30s. Hillsborough already down to 37. 44 in Waco, Temple, and Killeen at this time, but the clearing skies are working south. And since the sun not up yet, that will allow those temperatures to fall in the upper 30s and lower 40s before the sun comes up. So I think we'll start 7 o'clock at around 39 or 40 degrees. 46 by 9 o'clock, 55 by noon, and 59 later on this afternoon. I do expect sunshine today with temperatures there in the upper 50s, lower 60s area wide. We'll have a light southerly wind around that will calm overnight, and that means we may see temperatures go down in the 30s. It's all dependent on how much cloud cover develops. Right now, I think the cloud cover will be lighter tonight than what we're waking up to this morning, so don't be surprised if you see some mid-30s in the morning, though a freeze is likely out of the question. Be on the safe side, bringing the pets and the plants anyway. Upper 50s as we get into the afternoon tomorrow with those south winds continuing. It will see cloud cover increase, which means temperatures really won't warm up a bunch tomorrow. By Thursday, though, we're getting a surge of that warmer, more humid air, and that will fuel some thunderstorms. Now, I don't expect widespread severe weather, but one or two of these thunderstorms could get a little strong. We could have some brief heavy rain out of it, and I think the rain chances will linger further than you see there on Future Track into the afternoon. Future Track's a little aggressive with that drier air. If this happens, though, mid-70s are on the way, and this should all clear out, though, Thursday night into Friday, and Friday should be quiet. But we'll have to watch for at least the potential for some strong to severe storms in our southeastern counties on Thursday. I'm talking southeast of Waco, Temple, Killeen, and the Brazos Valley. If this system slows down a bit, we'll shift that risk back to the west a little bit. But right now, looks like the biggest threats could be hail and wind, though there could be a few brief tornadoes. The atmosphere will be spinning with this system that's moving through. Again, I think the threat of that lies to our southeast. Now, the potential for rainfall is there area-wide, though rain totals, they look a little meager, depending on how quickly these storms are moving. Right now, it looks like they'll move quickly, but they could also put down some brief heavy rainfall. So half an inch, not out of the question. Some areas may see an inch if things line up correctly, and most areas likely only see a quarter of an inch. 60 degrees coming up by Tuesday, 62 on Wednesday. There's those storm chances Thursday as we near 70. Behind it, though, another cool down, upper 50s Friday. We have a nice weekend ahead. Could see temperatures trying to near 70 by the end of next week.
All right.